Apply's technician application allows your techs the ability to manage their truck stock out in the field. Inside of the application, technicians will be able to manage all of the trucks that they're assigned to. They'll be able to view analytics about their truck, including movement statistics, items that are low, items that are critical to be ordered, trending materials, and manage their entire catalog. Technicians will be able to see jobs that they're assigned to, make direct material attributions, scan items in and out of truck, view their replenishment requests and their statuses, and view the activity of the movement of the materials. Apply makes it incredibly easy for technicians to remove items out of their truck stock inventory. They can do it in a number of ways. Apply provides widgets that enables technicians to be able to easily fast scan that initialize a camera. There's a quick action button that allows technicians to be able to scan directly from the app, navigation, or near the search. When they scan an item, the item will appear, and they'll be able to take several actions. They'll be able to update the quantity. So if they received materials from a warehouse or back from a job, they'll be able to add them back into their truck inventory, or they can transfer a material directly to a job that they're assigned to. By transferring a material to a job that they're assigned to, this automatically updates the record within your provided field service management software like Housecall Pro or ServiceTitan. Technicians can also access the list of active jobs for that day and be able to make a direct material attribution that will pre-fill the item that they're scanning in its location that it's going to. Technicians will be able to create replenishment requests directly from the field. So if they're doing a diagnostic on a job or they know that they need new materials for the next day, they can select those materials, add them to their truck, and confirm. If they do not have an assignment for a job, they can also use materials out if it's a consumable or a low-value part that doesn't need to be tracked to a job. This cap keeps an accurate count of the inventory. Technicians will be able to manage their replenishment requests while they're out in the field. This allows communication between your technicians and a warehouse manager to be fluid. Technicians can create a replenishment request by selecting items that are in their inventory, requesting the count that they need, and confirming. This sends an alert directly to the inventory manager to have that item or items filled by the next day. Finally, technicians will be able to track all of their activity. They'll be able to see movements in and out of their truck and be able to see material attributions directly to jobs as well. This allows them to keep an accurate handle on the movement of their materials and just double check as a form of record to make sure that everything is going to where it needs to go.